It is under the strong leadership of Mahatma Gandhi that the struggle of various sections of the people in different parts of India against centuries of foreign domination and state exploitation have taken a united form and evolved into a national movement for complete independence. Protests against racial evils, economic, social, and inequalities began to take shape in the late 19th century in the Travancore, Kochi, and Malabar areas of Kerala. The active presence of the freedom struggle movement gradually changed. This movement became an integral part of the struggle for independence and responsible governance in Kerala. The Indian national flag was hoisted and the General Assembly was successfully held at Vatiurkava. The monument is a tribute to the millions of patriots who took part in the national freedom struggle and were subjected to a series of tortures and imprisonment. The shape of mountain is a model for the realization of this monument to the future, where the dedication, fortitude, self-determination, and unwavering freedom of the masses are expected. The monument symbolizes the city and the freedom of determination by combining mutually exclusive stones that symbolize the millions of people who have dedicated their lives for the liberation of their future generations. The mountainous form, which is the main component of this monument, represents the national movement in general and the rock formations embedded in it representing millions of people who have joined the struggle. The crucial moments in the history of freedom struggle are engraved around the bottom of this monument. The monument is divided into sections, one on top of the other, which represents the Travancore, Kochi, and Malabar regions respectively. It has been designed in such a way that the geographical outline of a united Kerala with these three regions is visible at the apex. The bronze sculptures on the four sides below represent the four ideas that embody the essence of freedom struggle: nonviolence, patriotism, movement, and freedom.